Tension deepens as Igbo Political Network demands urgent release of Nnamdi Kanu over worsening health condition. My people, the atmosphere in the southeast is getting heavier by the day. And this time, the voices rising are not just from youth on the street or activists online, but from respected political group, the Igbo Political Network, IPN, raising a very loud alarm over the health of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let me take you through everything that is happening so you fully understand why the conversation around Nnamdi Kanu has suddenly taken another emotional turn. The story began early this morning when the Igbo Political Network released a strong statement. According to them, information coming from inside detention shows that Nnamdi Kanu's health has worsened and they fear the situation is getting out of control. They said this is no longer about politics. This is now a human rights concern. My people, imagine that a political group stepping aside from politics to insist on humanity first. For those who may not know the background, Nnamdi Kanu has been in detention for years, with several reports indicating that his medical condition has not been stable. Doctors have complained, lawyers have shouted, family members have cried out. But now the Igbo Political Network is saying the situation can no longer be ignored, that Nigeria may be risking a national tragedy if something urgent is not done. IPN has called on federal government, the Abuja court, and all relevant agencies to immediately grant Nnamdi Kanu access to proper medical care or release him entirely so he can be treated by a doctor of his choice. They warn that if anything happened to him in custody, it could lead to instability, protest, and public outrage across Southeast. In the West, the continued detention of Nnamdi Kanu, despite his deteriorating health, is unjust, unsafe, dangerous for national unity. Since that statement came out, reactions have spread like wildfire. In Onitsha, in Aba, in Owerri, in Enugu, people are talking. Elder groups are meeting, youths are expressing fear and anger. Many are asking, why is the government playing politics with someone's life? Some traders closed their shop earlier than usual because the discussion became too heated. In many places, you could feel the tension in the air, not violent, but emotional, like a community watching one of its own sons suffer. As the debate grows, some lawyers have also stepped in. A few senior advocates say that medical rights are part of fundamental human rights and no detainee should be denied proper treatment. One lawyer put it straightforwardly, if Nnamdi Kanu dies in detention, Nigeria will never recover from the consequences. This entire situation is now raising a bigger question. Is Nigerian justice system fair to all citizens? Because when a high-profile case like this drags on without resolution, with health challenges involved, it makes many doubt the strength of the country's legal system. The Igbo Political Network said it clearly. We do not want another painful chapter like what happened in the past. Nigeria must show that justice still exists. My people, the emotional weight of this story is heavy. Whether you support Nnamdi Kanu or not, whether you agree with his ideology or not, the simple truth is that every woman deserves proper health care, especially when the state is holding them. This is why the Igbo Political Network is saying the matter has moved beyond political battles. It is now about life, about survival, about humanity. As we speak, more groups across the Southeast and even beyond Nigeria are preparing to release statements. Civil society organizations are monitoring the situation. Lawmakers from the region are said to be discussing the matter secretly. Everyone is waiting to see how the federal government reacts. Will they release him? Will they allow better treatment? Or will they remain silent? This next move will determine how the nation responds. And that is why I'm here to break it down for you, calmly, clearly, and respectfully, because this matter is touching the heart of many Nigerians. We will continue to follow every update, every reaction, every government response, and bring it straight to you as it unfolds. My people, what do you think? Do you believe the federal government should release Nnamdi Kanu for treatment? Or do you agree with the Igbo Political Network that this issue has now become a matter of human rights? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Please share your opinion respectfully. This is a sensitive national conversation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching. Stay calm, stay safe, and stay updated.